Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is, I think, my fourth video already. Super excited to keep this going. And for today's episode, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Seiko watches. This is the Seiko Zimbe Samurai 9 Limited Edition. Really kick-ass watch. You have to stick around and check this out. By the way, just in case you guys haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure that you do that because I will be announcing a G-Shock giveaway in the coming days ahead. So if you are not yet part of the fam, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on what you think about the watch after watching the video. Now, before we get to the actual piece, you're probably thinking, why is it called the Zimbe or Zimbe edition? It's actually the name of the whale sharks that they have in Thailand. And it is an exclusive limited edition line of different kinds of watches that are only available over there, and this is part of that collection. Now, actually, over the next few days, I'll be going over some of the pieces from the Zimbe line that I have right here over there on my watch case. I have a couple, but for today, we will kick things off with this. Now, the watch itself is called the Samurai, and that's mainly because if you take a look at the hands, they're shaped in some sort of sword, and that's the reason why Seiko enthusiasts have endearingly called watches like this particular line, the Samurai. There's also a Shogun, there's a Sumo, there's a Turtle, and several others. Now, the reason why I love this particular watch is that it just feels awesome on wrist. I love the stainless steel case. I love the color combination of that gunmetal gray or silver with that pop of red at the top of the bezel. I love the size of the watch on my wrist, which is, I think, 43.8 millimeters. So it sits comfortably well on my big wrists. It has a stainless steel case around face, and it has a Hardlex crystal at the top. In terms of bracelets, it comes with this metal bracelet, but you can also swap it out for the rubber black bracelet that comes inside the box. Personally, I like wearing it like this because primarily it reminds me of the Silver Samurai from Marvel. So those who are geeks watching this today, that's the guy that Wolverine faced off in one of his first movies. I think it was Wolverine Origins. But in the comics, that guy is really kick-ass, Silver Samurai. I mean, his power set is amazing. He's brutal, he's ruthless, and that's actually the feel and the vibe that I get when I look at the watch. Now, powering this is the 4R35 movement of Seiko. If you don't know what that is, it's an automatic movement, and it also has a 40R power reserve. That's not a lot, and that's not enough to make it like my like a daily weekday watch. And what I mean by that is you pick it up on Monday, wear it until Friday, and come Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's not on your wrist. So that's what, like roughly 48, 72 hours. So when you pick it up on Monday, most likely you will have to wind it up again. There are only 1,300 pieces of this watch made. If you take a look at the back case, it actually has the logo of the Zimbe collection, and it also has a number. So it is numbered based on the 1,300 units out there in the market. By the way, being a diving watch, it is water resistant 200 meters. What I find interesting is apparently I got this for a good deal, because if you check out the different websites that are selling it, like Rook Japan, Chrono24, this one is selling anywhere from 900 to 1,000 US dollars. So that's like 50,000 pesos and up. But I got it for around 35,000 here in the Philippines from another, collector. So at least, apparently, I got it for a good deal. And with that said, that actually wraps up this watch vlog. What do you guys think of the Seiko Zimbe, I don't know how to pronounce it, 9 Samurai? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And as I usually say in my main vlog, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my main vlog yet, make sure that you do that right now. This is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.